So, I mean, the principle with the very first image is a really important image, obviously. So it has to do a couple of things. I mean, one, it's got to grab people. And ideally, the very first image, I think, in a video should also be thematically on point. It should be about what the piece is about. If it can be. I mean, that's not a hard and fast rule, but sometimes it is powerful to sort of open on, if your piece is about, I don't know, farming, then you don't want the first shot to be a Starbucks coffee. You want it to be a cow in a field. So it's sort of, you know, going straight in with like, this is what this film's about. I think with that one, I can't remember why I chose to open it with that kind of carousel of images. And in fact, I probably wouldn't do that today. As I look back on that one and rewatching it just now, I'm like, that's probably not the best open, the most, you know, original or interesting open. But I think I must have settled on, like, you know, I want to, you know, this is about history's winners. So let's find who do people think of when they think of winners. So I sort of drew up a list of all those kind of quite cliched, to be honest, kind of iconic historical, you know, just characters that are so iconic that everyone will recognize them. And in terms of sourcing the images, I think it was going to the Wikimedia Commons for the stills, I think. They tend to be quite high resolution, and for the most part, they tend to be in the public domain as well. And I think actually, you know, that first thing, it was a motion graphics piece, wasn't it? So there was sort of a big yellow wash of yellow, and then yeah, I think that was, I'm not entirely convinced there was a huge amount of logic actually to how I animated that, other than wanting it to look cool. As I say, I look at that one and kind of see lots of things in it that I'd probably improve.